Okay, and so you'll start to see the lines showing up on the screen. Now, as you start to look at this, it looks pretty fast, but you can kind of start to make it a little more understandable. You just have to adjust some of these here. First, you're going to want to adjust I'm sorry, I can't remember the name of that.
Position.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Why can't I remember this? What's the name of this? The truth one? So then you'll adjust the position, make sure it's reading the waves correctly.
And we're looking for a square wave, which is what the machine is producing through that, at 1 kilohertz square wave.
Okay, so there we go. So now you can actually start to see the wave by itself. So you'll want to...
There.
Yep, so now you can start to see
That's
all the
perfectly
waves.
compensated.
And yeah,
Well,
so there you go.
explain what you're adjusting. So to bring it into view, you adjusted the time setting, right?
Yeah.
And
Should
what
we
was that over there, level?
level? Which one is that? I'm sorry.
Right there.
That, yeah, level. The knob here is level, yeah.
And that did what?
So adjusting the level adjusts where it's actually recording. Like, so if you pull the level below here, you'll start to see the lines are kind of going around because basically the machine doesn't know when to start recording these waves. But once you set it here, it knows that it's recording it once the wave reaches a set point, which is where the line is. So every time it passes through there, that's when it starts to record things.